In my last video, we learned how to install Hermes and even set up a free API with up to 7 million tokens per day. But installing Hermes is just the beginning. To unlock its real power, you need skills. The skills are reusable capability packages that teach Hermes how to perform specific tasks, from coding and research to productivity, media, DevOps, and much more. Today, I'll show you 5 of the most useful Hermes skills that you can install right now. We'll get them from Skills Hub, a community library with over 14,500 ready-to-install skills for Hermes and many other popular AI agents. Let's get started. The first skill is PDF. This skill gives Hermes everything it needs to work with PDF files. It can merge and split PDFs, extract text, table and metadata, rotate pages, and even create new PDF documents. Whether you're working with reports, books, invoices, or any other PDF file, this skill makes those tasks quick and automatic. Installing this skill or any other skill is simple. Just copy the installation command, send it to Hermes, and ask it to install the skill. From then on, Hermes will automatically use it whenever it's needed. You'll find all the links and installation commands used in this video in the description below. The second skill is Summarize. This is one of the skills you'll probably use the most. Whenever you want to know what a website, article, or video is about, Hermes can summarize it for you. Just give it a URL and it will read the content and generate a concise summary. It can also transcribe YouTube videos, giving you a brief overview first. If you want more details, Hermes lets you choose a specific section or time range to expand. The third skill is File Organizer. If your downloads folder is a complete mess, this skill can clean it up for you. It analyzes your files, finds duplicates, suggests a better folder structure, and organizes everything automatically with your approval. It can also rename files, group them by type or content, and help you keep your computer clean and organized without doing it manually. The fourth skill is Bash Linux. If you use Linux or Mac OS, this skill teaches Hermes the best practices for working in the terminal. It can help write Bash scripts, explain shell commands, manage files and processes, troubleshoot terminal issues, and use common tools like grep, find, and set. It's a great skill for anyone who spends time in the command line. The fifth and final skill is Skill Creator. This is one of the most powerful skills on Skills Hub because it lets Hermes create new skills or improve existing ones. Just describe what you want Hermes to learn, and it will generate a complete skill for you. If you already have a skill, it can review it, suggest improvements, and even optimize it so Hermes knows exactly when to use it. It can also help you test and evaluate your skills, making it much easier to build reliable workflows instead of writing everything from scratch. So if you can't find the perfect skill on Skills Hub, you can simply create your own. And that's it. These are 5 of my favorite Hermes skills that can make your AI agent much more powerful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Hermes tutorials, AI tools, and programming videos. If you know another great Hermes skill that I didn't mention, let me know in the comments. I'd love to check it out, and it might even be featured in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.